Does your home feel too cluttered to even think about selling? You're not alone, and I want you to know there's absolutely no judgment here. Many of my clients, especially seniors, have shared the same feeling, overwhelmed by the idea of preparing their home for sale after years of making memories there. But here's the good news. No task is too big for my team. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty, and we specialize in helping you through this process step by step. Maybe you've lived in your home for years, surrounded by cherished belongings. The thought of sorting through everything can feel impossible. But that's where we come in. My team will take the stress off of your shoulders, organizing, packing, and cleaning, so you don't have to worry about a thing. First, I'll meet with you to create a game plan that fits your needs. Whether it's sorting through decades of memories or just getting your home moving ready, my trusted team of professionals will handle every detail. No task is too big or too small. There's no judgment, just the support you need to make this transition as smooth as possible. Now imagine this, a clutter-free, organized home showing its full potential to buyers. You'll be setting yourself up for the best possible offer without all the stress. But more importantly, think about what comes next. Picture yourself in a new, simplified space where you can relax, enjoy life, and focus on what truly matters. That's the heart of downsizing, making life easier so you can spend more time doing things you love. With less to manage and more freedom, you can enjoy your retirement, travel, or spend more time with family. My team and I are here to take care of everything, from decluttering to getting your home sold for the best price. If the thought of clutter has been holding you back from selling, now is the time to let us help. Give me a call at 763-257-7231 or send me an email at julie@vikingshomes.com for a free consultation. Let's get started on your journey to a simpler, clutter-free life. You owe it to yourself and to your loved ones to explore what's possible. Make this move a reality. Simplify your life today.